Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients. 8 ounces of chocolate, 1/2 cup mix-ins such as almonds or dried cherries, 1 tablespoon neutral oil or butter, and 1/4 teaspoons salt. Line a 10x 15-inch baking sheet with parchment paper and have a spatula ready. Chop chocolate into uniform 1/2-inch pieces so it melts evenly. Weigh or measure to avoid overheating. Pre-measure mix-ins into small bowls and set them on the counter within reach to speed the pouring step. Melt chocolate gently. Use a double boiler over simmering water or microwave in 20-second pulses, stirring each time until smooth. Stir frequently to avoid scorching. If texture looks dull, add 1 tablespoon neutral oil for gloss, but avoid excess. For firmer, snappy bark, cool the melted chocolate to 88 to 90 degrees F, then work quickly. Maintain a warm towel under the bowl if needed to keep fluidity, while you transfer chocolate to the lined 10x 15-inch sheet. Pour the melted chocolate onto the lined 10x 15-inch sheet and spread it with a spatula to about 1/4 inch thickness for even bite. Immediately sprinkle 1/2 cup mix-ins across the surface and finish with a light pinch of the reserved 1/4 teaspoon salt or extra decorations. Chill the sheet in the refrigerator for 25 to 30 minutes until completely set, then lift the parchment and break the bark into irregular pieces. Store in an airtight container up to 2 weeks at cool room temperature or long.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.